Hi guys, so what you're seeing me do is that I'm experiencing a nature walk. I'm still at Leleshwa Getaway. This is part of the sparks you get when you come to visit this place. So here I am dressed up in my gym attire, as you can see, and I'm going to experience the nature walk. So let's see what we are going to get there. Stay tuned. So it's getting thicker and greener as we proceed. Yeah, I'm loving the ambience, and it's a bit sunny. I'm also loving the sun. Yes guys, let's see where this journey takes us to. Hey guys, mimi nakwambia nimechoka. Hey, huku ni shamba la mawe, as you can see. Hey, all right. Guys, we are having our nature walk, and I'm shocked that I can actually see Leleshwa from this point. I'm in the other side of Masai Lodge, and I'm still doing the nature walk, and I can be able to capture this place from this view. Look at that, how magnificent, how beautiful that is. It's spectacular. That is Kitengela Glass. That is where they manufacture, I think, glass items. I'm actually going to find out and let you guys know, but look at the view there. Perfect. So now we're still proceeding with our nature walk, and this is the pathway that leads to Kitengela Glass. Guys, if you look closely, you can actually see the sparkles of glass, and it's like a staircase. It's like a stairway. So look at that decoration. I love the artwork. I really love the artwork. So it's actually very steep, so that's why I'm walking slowly, but I just love the artwork. I love the way they have put those pieces of glass. Yes. Okay, I'm so unfit. Mnasikia venye na hema? Guys, look at that artwork. Alafu angalia hivyo. Whoa, look at that. I'm about to pass there. What is this bridge called? Iko na jina? Kitengela Glass Bridge. Okay, Kitengela Glass Bridge, guys. Hey! Me, I'm excited. Hi. Guys, I just want you to see this. This is me and my bag camera. Wacha nifunge. Nimeambiwa ikianguka hapa, if it falls down there, that's the end of me and the camera. So, yes. Sasa, it's shaking, guys.
That's the idea.
But it's strong enough, yeah?
Yes, strong enough. Worry not. We got you.
I can see a river beneath me.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no! So I'm at Kitengela Glass, and we have with me a friend of mine. He's going to introduce aseme wanafanya nini hapa. Yes.
Okay, I'm Nelson.
Yes, Nelson.
Oh, here at Kitengela Glass, we do quite a number of things. We do like glass recycling. Mostly we emphasize in recycling. So we recycle almost everything. So we do glass recycling, we do pottery, we do stained glass, mosaic, and the other lots of stuff.
Okay.
So like also maybe we train people with the art. Maybe if you have artists also.
Yes. Oh, you also train.
Yeah.
So it's also a technical school.
Yes.
Wow.
Like a training institute.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Is there anything special? Like, what is the highlight of this place? Kuna pahali watu wakikuja, they are like, this is the best place of this Yani hapa ndo pahali pazuri kabisa.
I think everywhere is best because you can see all the sculptures around and everything. We have also, if you go down, you have like a swimming pool.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, you have a swimming pool?
Yeah, nice swimming pool.
Oh
down
my
with the
goodness.
mosaic underneath. We have that swinging bridge.
Yes.
We have up there, we have a gallery.
Yes.
Where we display all our cycle stuff and everything. Also, we have cottages.
Yes.
Maybe those people, but they are unique. They are different. Maybe I can walk you inside. You can see one of it.
Please, let's go ahead.
So guys, Kitengela place was a very beautiful place, a very spectacular place, and I hope that one of these fine days you're going to spare some time and visit them. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I would request you to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Comment on this video and also like it, share it to your friends who might appreciate it. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to our next video. I look forward to seeing you on the comment section. May God bless you, and yeah, let's meet next time. Bye bye guys.